We're looking a little Elsa, but I don't hate it because it's my winter favorites. Hello, my little sparkly friends. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. Today we are going to talk about my favorite wintry products, things that are helping me survive the winter. My winter survival kit. No, it's not gonna help you with any sort of actual survival. Don't take this stuff out into the woods and expect to make it. You won't. It's winter, so let's start with moisturizer. Are you one of those people that hate the word moist? I'm fine with it, but I know some people have the problems with it. Anyway, Vana Cream. What are you? Moisturizing cream for sensitive skin. This stuff just saves my face. I have incredibly terrible dry skin. Like I get big patches of just flaking off dinosaur looking skin, and I live in a high desert. I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah, so like we be dry all the time. It's winter, spring, summer, fall. Actually, we don't have a spring or a fall. It's dry. So I use Vana Cream moisturizing cream. It's thicker than a lotion, so if you do want to get something like this, keep that in mind. It takes a second to like rub in because it's not lotion, it's cream. Incredibly moisturizing, really good on the ingredients, free of dyes, fragrance, masking fragrance, lanolin, parabens, and formaldehyde. And I also think this brand is cruelty-free, although I'm still kind of researching it. Their parent company I'm still researching, but so far it looks to be cruelty-free. Yay! We love our furry friends. It's eczema like approved. I just really love it. It moisturizes me. I feel like that Cassandra lady on Doctor Who. Moisturize me. That lady, we derailed. Vana Cream moisturizing cream, so good for winter dry air that is terrible and just sucks the life out of your skin. This puts a little life back into it. Next up I have tea. You can't see that. Tazo Passion Tea. Passion. Fruity tea. I think it has hibiscus in it. What are you? What's in you? Hibiscus. A little bit of cinnamon and rose. There's no passion fruit in this. Huh. I guess it's just passionate. This tea is my favorite. It's pink, which that's great. Very bougie and like special fancy feeling to drink pink tea. It makes me feel like a princess. I actually gave this tea to several people for Christmas because I was like, you have to try this tea. Herbal, caffeine free, yummy, pink, warm, cozy. Everything that is wonderful about tea is this tea. Tazo Passion Tea. It's just so good. Yummy good. One more kitchen-y thing I want to talk about. Reusable zip baggies. We all know and love Ziploc and their off-brand friends. Enemies? Zippy bags that you can put stuff in and zip it up and put it in the kids' lunches and the fridge and other places. These are reusable. So I got them at the Target. They were $14 for two of these little ones, which was a bummer. But then I got to thinking about how many times I was buying boxes of plastic bags and was like, oh, and I'm not just filling up the landfill needlessly. Yay! These are very cool because they will stand. It just stands by itself. Neat. And they zip close like a Ziploc bag would. And there you go. It's just as secure as a plastic Ziploc bag, and it's this rubbery stuff. I put it in the dishwasher. Actually, I usually just have to rinse it depending on what went in there. I rinse it when I get home and I just set it to dry, and that's it. Not actually any more difficult than using a single-use plastic bag, which I thought it would be kind of more of a pain, and it turned out to be like the same level of life convenience or whatever. Reusable zipper bags for foodstuffs and other things. Next, I want to talk about this essential oil diffuser. Oh my gosh, you smell amazing. I probably shouldn't swoosh this around. Yeah, you're full. Okay. I have recently gotten into some aromatherapy type stuff. I'm on this whole like personal growth journey, energy, chakra, smells, good, and jujus and all that woo-woo stuff. It's working though, so like, but I digress. This one I got at home. That store just makes speaking complicated. At Home is where I bought this. It's very, very cool because it's got two settings on it where it can just mist continuously all the time on, or you can click it to intermittent and it will just like some mist every few minutes. It also lights up and is pretty. You can set it to circulate through all the colors of lights, or you can set it to a specific color of light, and it also has like 2 light settings for each color. So there's like a dimmer one and a brighter one. Very, very customizable and just fits great in anyone's life. At Home had a couple different designs of this. I got the palm leaf one because husband just loves palm trees and he has to look at it too. So I got that instead of the glittery one because marriage. It's very, very easy to use. This thing just pops right off, super easy. Pop this top off, fill it with water, drop a couple drops of oil in there, and plug it in. Bim bam boom, you got a fresh smelling room, and you can put oils in there for certain different things to like promote goodness and niceness and the energies and the good things that you want to be having. Right now I do a mixture of bergamot oil and lavender just to ward off depression because winter, and then lavender just to calm and our life. Essential oil diffuser. It's good looking, good smelling, good. Really good at this. Speaking of like self-improvement and things like that, I've started doing yoga very early in the morning and going to yoga classes. So this yoga mat's one of my new favorite things. I got this at Marshall's, which like, what? It's got a strap, which was a deal breaker for me because I'm carrying it into the car to yoga class. Yeah, it's a yoga mat, like awesome. It's not any sort of groundbreaking. It's not revolutionary in terms of its design or softness, comfort, whatever, matte-ness. But the design on it is this cute green leafy, super cute green leaf design, this green on green thing. I'm living for it. Part of the reason I really love that is because I'm all about like trying to make my home and my spaces more intentional and like happy and nice. In my little area of my office where I work out, it looks so cute there. Like it just looks nice and it's also functional, so yay. Not only is it a great yoga mat because it's just a great yoga mat, but it's also just aesthetically delightful. It looks cute sitting on the shelf because if I put it away somewhere, I will use it less frequently, and I'm really digging this yoga thing. It is helping me immensely on many levels, and so I want to keep it out, and this is cute enough I can keep it out. It just works on lots of levels and that just makes me really happy. And yoga mat, yay. Personal growth. I'm all for it. I ran into a drawer. There's a couple non-hold it in the air things that I want to talk about. One is the Calm app. Again, personal growth, I told you, I'm on a journey. The Calm app is a meditation app. They got a lot of different sorts of things they can do, sleep specific, like stories and stuff like that. All kinds of different scenes that you can play for like nature, ambient noises. It's got a mood checker that I've really been using every day that is surprisingly interesting and effective, and I really like it. All kinds of different music and things to meditate to. I'm also doing meditation now because personal growth. I've just really been using this app several times a day. It gives a little chime bong sound when I need to just like do a mindfulness check-in, and I just sit there and like bring myself back to the present. Very, very effective in my life, and I just really, really like it. I'm still using the free version. There is a ton more with the paid version, but I believe it's a subscription and it's like $70, $79 a year, I think. So I'm not quite at that level of like app purchasing commitment. I probably will in a few months because I actually use it so many times a day. The free version is getting me by just fine right now. There's a lot more guided meditations. They kind of like mess me up. I don't really love guided meditations. I like to just do it myself and like get on with my life. But they have a lot more guided meditations and a lot more of the sleep stories and a lot more music and all kinds of other, like just tons and tons of other helpful things with the paid version, like I said, which I'll be getting eventually. So the Calm app, when you turn it on, a little thing comes up that says take a deep breath, and you'd be surprised how much I need that deep breath when I'm opening the Calm app. Keep yourself calm, the Calm app. I don't know what their slogan is, but I just gave them that one if they want it. Another non-hold it up and show you thing is grocery store pickup. Life changer. I am really neurotic about my grocery shopping. Like I make a list, I meal plan, and then I take the list and rewrite the list in order of the store layout that I like to navigate the store. Like I'm crazy. One day we were back from traveling. Kid, school, husband, work, me, work, life, house, a mess, crazy. Blah! And we had no food. There was none food in the house. I got to grocery shop today and I just so literally don't have time. Opened the computer and I just like searched and got and added to my cart what we needed. And then I was like, yeah, I'll pick this up this afternoon. And then I picked it up that afternoon and my grocery shopping was done in like 15 minutes. I'm so like, what? It is such a life changer. I have not gone back to physical grocery shopping. Physical grocery shopping? I am now online pickup grocery shop girl and I love it. I use Smith's, which is local/regional. Other stores likewise do the same thing. Walmart does it, but they're not my favorite to give my money to. They're my plan B. Smith's does charge like $4.95, I think, for the pickup. The first 3 times it's free. Walmart doesn't charge at all for theirs, as far as I know. For me, the convenience and the time that it saves me is worth the $5. It's worth $10, but I'm glad I'm only paying $5. Grocery store pickup, it's a lifesaver and a game changer. I'm an advocate. Pick up your groceries. It's amazing. Editing/future Kim, whatever, here. I forgot to mention one of my favorites that are like so winter related and are saving my life, and that would be Muck Lux. The big socks that are like super cozy and soft and like amazing. They just keep my feet so warm and they're so comfortable. They got grippies on the bottom of them so that like you're not slipping and sliding around, which I don't know, could be counted as a con depending on the type of person you are, because I do like to slide around in my socks. Tom Cruise style. Muck Lux. I can't get enough of these awesome socks. I love them. Definitely a favorite. I got them for Christmas and I can't stop wearing them. Back to the rest of the stuff. A couple honorable mentions of my favorites this winter. Paper Valentines, the ones that I have on my tree back here. I've got them kind of scattered all over the living room. They're just cute. I got the paper doilies in the heart shape from Dollar Tree and we just put them on stuff and it's cute. I'm very into cinnamon roasted almonds right now. If you're like me and you are obsessed with Christmas and you're very sad that it's not Christmas and that Christmas is still very far away, cinnamon can invoke a Christmas nostalgia. Common Christmas flavor that's also a flavor at other times. Valentine's Day, cinnamon hearts, yes please. So I've been eating a lot of cinnamon roasted, like those like honey cinnamon or sugar cinnamon almonds. Those are just some honorable mentions of things that I've been using, and those are my favorites, my winter favorites for winter. It's still winter, it's cold. Super quick, you can get this shirt online. There's a link in the description below. We got Sparkle On merch because you should be sparkling on all the time. Link in the description. If you want to see how I decorated this Valentine's tree, you can click or tap right up here. For some Christmas magic all year long, you can click or tap down there. Thank you so much for watching, and until we meet again, sparkle on. Yeah, I had cute nails and then life happened. Probably not. Ooh, did you hear that noise? Farted. I feel large breasted today.